Tired of eating the same boring salads with iceberg lettuce and ranch dressing? Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to toss together one of my favorite jar salads with a tasty and convenient twist: shrimp sushi jar salad. Starting with a medium bowl, combine 1½ cups of Hy-Vee whole grain instant brown rice, 1½ cups of water, 2 tablespoons of unseasoned rice vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of allulose sweetener. Loosely cover the bowl with plastic wrap and microwave on high for at least 5 minutes. Let it stand for another 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork to cool. Then measure out 3/4 cup of thawed edamame and set aside for now. Next, thaw one 12-ounce package of Fish Market peeled and deveined cooked shrimp. Remove the tails and pat the shrimp dry with paper towels. After that, combine 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee less sodium soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste in a medium bowl. Add in the shrimp and toss to coat. Then, transfer the shrimp and liquid to 4 1-pint canning jars. On top of that, layer each jar evenly with a 3/4 cup of edamame, 3/4 cup of matchstick cut carrots, and 3/4 cup of shredded red cabbage. Add in the rice mixture and top that with 4 sushi nori roasted seaweed sheets and 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. You can seal the jars and keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. When you're ready to serve, just pour the jar into a serving bowl and toss with a fork to combine all your deliciously healthy ingredients. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.